Hi everyone, today I am making a very easy snacks, Maggie cheesy sandwich. For that we'll take corn flour, some water and make a slurry out of it. The slurry should not be very thin. Now keep it aside. Now take some Maggie and crush it. Now keep it aside. Now take a bowl, take some capsicum, some onion, mozzarella cheese or any cheese you have. Add mayonnaise, black pepper powder, salt and mix it properly. Now keep this filling aside. Now take a slice of bread. Put a slice of cheese. Now put some filling on it. Again a slice of cheese and a bread. Now dip this in a slurry which we made. Now again coat it with the Maggie. Now heat oil and put the sandwich in it. Now deep fry till it turns out golden brown. You can see your Maggie cheesy sandwich is ready. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel.